As we all know, 2020 has been very difficult, to say the least, for everybody. I mean, one of the biggest things that I've enjoyed so far with Carvana is, they have the slogan, "We're all in this together," and they take it seriously. One of us is hurting, the rest of us feel it.
Hey, everybody! Hey, I'm looking for logistics. Logistics is here. Logistics.
Yeah.
All right, I've got a special delivery.
Carvana has created a program to help give back to those of us that are hurting the most. Tom, you step forward. 2020, third day here at Carvana. You received a phone call that would ultimately change your and your family's life forever. And your ability to zag forward, roll with the punches, and your hard work and dedication towards your family, as well as this team here and Carvana as a whole, has not gone unrecognized. So, my pleasure to present to you the winner of Carvana's 2020 car giveaway.
Oh, wow.